Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 7. Good to see all of you here again. Erwin, Dennis, Duncan, Puff Change, everybody here, much before the session was about to begin. And good to see that, enthusiasm from you all. Great. I think most of us, I think, were there yesterday. So we were talking more about, or learning more about what are NFTs, how to create dynamic NFTs. So today we have Solange with us. Hi, Solange.
Hi, Bara. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you, Solange? Thank you.
So good. I'm so excited with the day 7. And congrats everyone that are here with us until now. You are amazing. You are heroes because we are doing out the bootcamp. This is really amazing.
Yeah, thanks a lot for coming back again after the sessions and see that enthusiasm in the chat. Everybody's so excited for the session. So today it's going to be really exciting one because yesterday we learned NFTs and how to create dynamic NFTs, and we also learned a little bit about Chainlink CCIP in the previous week. So today what we're gonna do is Solange is gonna teach us how to mint NFTs cross chain. So it's going to be like really amazing session. So I think we can just get started. Solange, over to you.
Okay, amazing. Thank you, Bara. Let's start it. So, first of all, I'd like to share the pad with you, like always. And we already have the people added the information over there. Amazing. And yes, I know that some people, especially in other other sessions, they would like to share. If you'd like to share your social network to have more friends, you can do that because we'd like to create a group here to really have teammates here, maybe to create groups for the hackathon. All my social networks are Solange Gueiros, and let's share my screen with you. Wait a minute. So I'm here. All my social networks are this. And amazing. Welcome everyone. We have a lot of people over there. And meanwhile, you are adding your name. I will add more info in the beginning of the pad. So today we are in the session 7. Remember that if you need support in the bootcamp, go to our Discord, the bootcamp channel. Also, you can check it out the last sessions, the previous sessions, directly on YouTube or on the Luma page. We have the list of all sessions over there. The slides that I will share in a few minutes are here for you. We have the task form. Remember that, this is the presentation that you are seeing in a few minutes, is this. Remember that in order to receive a certificate at the end, you must do all the tasks, and the form to fill the tasks are here. We have the faucets. Today we don't have too much. We are starting using, not starting, but you are using Avax as well, Fuji. We don't have it too much Avax and the link. So if you already have it, save it for late. And remember that you can go to our next hackathon. And let's see how we are here now. Amazing. A lot of people here. And we are good to go to the presentation. Let's see if you need something. Okay. I know what's happened with you. Fifth, because it's happened the same with me. I can show you before we start. The problem is that, for example, I have this. Let's get you any of these. Like we was here. I think this is the Spanish version, but doesn't matter. When you did this the first time, you can edit your response, and then you feel what you need to feel. Like, let's go to the English. This is the English. You must submit the copy. Oh, I'm so terrible with this. Let's see if I can pass. Oh, wow. Okay. If you are read, I did this before, so you can come back to your form. And when we fill the new tasks, like I must fill a lot of new tasks here, you must remember at the end, you must submit the form again. Sometimes I fill the answer and I forgot to come here. And when I come back, my answer was not over there. So be careful about this, okay? Let's come back to our presentation. Today, we are learning a bit more related to CCIP. And this is where we are. We are here. No. Here. Session 7. So we are talking about CCIP, but today the focus is CCIP on messages. We did a session related to tokens last week. And yesterday you create your first NFT. And then now we are doing this in a way that you can create messages, okay? Let's answer another question before. Thiago, at the end, I can do that, like to create a PDF that you can download. For now, it's not a good idea because we are like publishing the new slides every day until the last day. After the last day, we can do that, create a PDF, and you can download it. So this is me. I think you already know me. This is my social networks. Remember that you can see previous talks on my website as well. We are ready in the path. So let's talk about messages. And wait a minute. What is a message? Remember that a message is everything that you send using CCIP. It's a message. Even when we are sending tokens, the tokens will be a part of a message. But we can have only messages without the tokens. And this is what you can call an arbitrary messaging. So it's any kind of data encoded as bytes to a receiving smart contracts on a different blockchain. Interesting that when you are sending messages, this cannot be sent directly to an external owned account, to your MetaMask, for example. This must be sent to a smart contract that's prepared to receive that. And what is interesting about a message? You can encode multiple instructions in a single message. So in this way, you can orchestrate complex or multi-step, multi-chain tasks. You can start some tasks in one chain and do other tasks in the other chain, maybe more than one task. And here we have some examples how you can use an arbitrary messaging, like to trigger something in the receiving smart contract. Imagine that you can rebalancing an index or minting a specific NFT or update the state of a game or call an arbitrary function with the send that data as a custom parameters. We are doing that today. The last option is that we are doing today because we are calling the mint function in a NFT collection in the destination blockchain. And remember that, okay, you already learned how to transfer tokens. You also can transfer tokens inside the message. So the message can have data and can have the token. So you can, when receive the message in the destination blockchain, you are also receiving the tokens and do something with the tokens. And here I add an example for you. Transfer tokens to a lending protocol with the instructions to leverage those tokens as a collateral for a loan. And you can borrow another asset to be sent back to the user. And what we are doing today, the goal today is to have an NFT that can be minted in one chain from another chain. And my goal is to do this using 3 chains. Let's see how is Mumbai now. We know that Mumbai is in like in the last days. Mumbai is one of the test nets from Polygon, but it will be discontinued in, I think, the end of this month, and they have anyone. But for today, we are trying to still use Mumbai. And we are also using Avalanche Fuji, that you know a bit about that. We used it last week. And you are using Ethereum Sepolia. So 3 chains today. This will be nice. First of all, let's understand the concepts of a cross-chain NFT. What is the option to have something that is cross-chain? What we are doing today is the first, mint an NFT from one chain, which will appear in another chain. But also you can think about having the same NFT in many chains. And you can change the metadata attributes. Like imagine that you can change the status. The NFT number 5, it's enabled in Fuji, it's disabled on Sepolia now. We can have different colors. Like we are using the color today because we are using the background color. It will be related to the chain. If you are minting from Fuji, the background color will be red. If you are using Sepolia, it will be blue. If you are using Polygon Mumbai, the background color will be purple. And imagine that you can have different attributes, different things in the chains, depends on the chain. And this is our goal today, is to create a cross-chain NFT emoji based on the Bitcoin price. And this is so nice because today we are creating at least 3 smart contracts, maybe 4. If you are using mobile, we are creating 4 smart contracts. And it's a really hands-on class today. Like to have you a bit more excited like me, this is the result. This will be our cross-chain NFT emoji. So we have the emojis over there. You have the background color from Sepolia, from Fuji, from Mumbai. And the emoji depends of the Bitcoin price related to the last time that we minted an NFT. So if the last time, from the last time, the price went up, we are happy. If the price didn't change, we are neutral. Or if the price went down, we are sad. And what is interesting about this as well, yesterday you learned how to use all the metadata and the images from your NFT outside of chain using IPFS. Today, the image and the metadata itself will be all on chain. And the hackathon, let's talk in the end. Let's go to the hands-on part. I'd like to organize better here. So here we are. Let's go to the end. We are starting on Sepolia. We are starting on the destination blockchain. And I have more info for you. Remember that. So MetaMask, Sepolia. Go to Remix. and remember in connect your wallet. So I am a remix. I don't know if I'm connected or not, so I prefer to refresh and do this from zero with you. I know that I am in a wrong wallet. I'd like to change my wallet. And I must add a second account. I'm here only changing my account, okay? Wait a minute, because I changed this yesterday. Account 2. Here we are. This is my account 2 that I'd like to use with you. I am on Avax, so I'm wrong. Let's go to Sepolia. Remember that we are starting on Sepolia. Okay. So icon number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the environment to injected provider. Connect my account. Okay, I am with you now. And let's create our first file. So our first file is the NFT. Let's create the cross-chain price NFT. Not here, here. Okay, icon 2, create a new file, and this will be the cross-chain price NFT. I already have it, so probably I will use mine that's here. And let's copy and paste this for you. Let's see if this is right. Yes. Be careful to not cut the code, please. And then you can deploy, and I will ask you here to add your name and the cross-chain price NFT address. And I will get some time now to explain this. It's a long explanation. Let's see about Yes, Matt, until the end, so until 3rd of April, you can change previous answers and submit again. How many times is it like to do that, okay? When you close the form, that will be on 3rd of April, then you cannot do anymore. And no, we used to not publish it to IPFS when we are doing the deploy. Let's go, I will deploy mine as well. Remember that you are on Sepolia. Let's wait, mine should be here in a few minutes. Yes. And I will pin mine to see it late and share with you here. So let's explain this code because it's a nice code, but it's a bit complex. So let's do it. First of all, you can see here that I'm using, this is only an NFT, so I'm using OpenZeppelin. All of this I got from the wizard from OpenZeppelin. Here, you can see that I'm importing the aggregator interface in order to use Chainlink data feeds. This will be the Bitcoin price. This is my NFT. I'm managing like the index of each NFT using the counters, and I'm using strings to create my metadata. And this is, the price feed will be my price from Bitcoin price. I'm saving the last price. And these are the indicators. Remember the emoji, if the price goes up, if the price goes down, or if the price didn't change. Okay? This is interesting for you. I create this chain struct with a code This code is from the Chainlink documentation supported networks. In fact, I'm not using this code yet, but I will use in the future. So it's over there. This is the test net. And you can see I'm using the chain selector from Fuji, same for Sepolia, and same for Mumbai. These three, okay? These are here. Code chain selector. This is Sepolia, Fuji, Mumbai. So here I created the structure with a code, the chain selector, a name, the name of the chain, and the color that I'd like to use. So here I have the name Sepolia, the color will be blue, the name Fuji, the color will be red, the name Mumbai, the color will be purple. And before that, I will finish this, then I will try to help the people with the Sepolia it, okay? And here in the aggregator interface, you can see that I'm using the Sepolia Bitcoin USD price. In the future, I will get this in the Cersei blockchain, not in the destination. There are two improvements that I'd like to do in this content. This is one. So if you came here to Sepolia, and here is the Bitcoin USD price, we are using that. It's here. And like yesterday, we are minting an NFT in the constructor. Remember that the constructor will be called only when we are deploying the NFT. So we are initializing everything. And thank you, Dan. I like your explanation. Yes, we are using the counters. Exactly. They are libraries, and you are doing that. They are libraries that we are getting from here. The counters are here, and the strings are inside the base 64. Okay. So going a bit forward, I know that I will finish the explanation and then try to have to help the people with the faucet, okay? Here we have the mint function. So I am on Sepolia, and they're supposed to mint only from Sepolia because I am from Sepolia. So the mint, you only have the destination address, and the chain will be 0, the first chain on this list, chain 0, that's Sepolia. Okay? But I can mint from another chain. So in this way, I must pass the address and the Cersei ID, same. 0 is Sepolia, 1 is Fuji, 2 is Mumbai. Here is the same price, the same process. Like here, I'm using the mint from 0, that's Sepolia. So this is the process to mint an NFT. Get the last ID, do the safe mint, increment the ID counter, and update the metadata. How can we update the metadata? And this is the so cool part of this NFT, because I'm create an JSON on chain. And I'm doing this now. I'm creating the image on chain. It's an SVG image. We are seeing this in a minute. But this is the JSON. I'm creating the JSON using the base 64 encode with this information. So I have the same standard from OpenSea, like we did yesterday, but I have here the name, cross-chain price SVG, the description, the image will be defined by this function, build SVG. Let's see this in a few minutes. And here I have my attributes. The attributes are the source chain, the name of the chain, and the last price that we got from the data feed. So we must get this information and the SVG. Let's go over there. Then I'm updating the URI. So here I'm building an image on chain. So I'm building an SVG on chain, depends of the source ID. And this is the header of my SVG. So I defined the color over there. This will be the background color. Remember, blue, red, or purple, depends of the chain. Here is the body of the SVG. And I'm using the compare price to define which emoji I'd like to see over there. And closing the SVG. So let's go to the compare price and see how we got the emoji. We are comparing the price between the last time we minted an NFT and the current price. The current price we get from the Chainlink data feed. So if the price is greater than, the indicator is happy, or if the current price is down now, is lower, we have the sad emoji, the price indicator down, or if the price didn't change, we have the flat. To get the last price, we came here. Here is the latest answer. So we get the price from the Chainlink data feed. This is only to get the URI from one emoji, one NFT. And I need this some time to decode the metadata. And sometimes I did this wrong. So this is the way that you can try to discover this. And this is only required by Solidity, so nothing more. I will go, first of all, I know that some people need tokens. Please don't only get it if you need it, because I have a few now. I'm giving tokens for you since the first day, and now I don't have too much. So wait a minute that I am in the other screen, getting the tokens and send to you. Let's send a bit of Sepolia. Sepolia for Sepolia, I think I'm good. So I just sent Sepolia. If you need Sepolia, wait to me to send the link as well. Let's get link. Tokens, link, yes, link I'm good as well. So this will be link. Next, confirm. And then if you came to the workshop faucet, let's add this for you. Remember that you have, if you are not here live with me, probably you must use the official faucet. Wow. But in the workshop, you can use the workshop faucet that I just funded on Sepolia. This is the password. Don't get more than you need now, okay? Line 33 is the faucet. Someone asked about the task form. Line 21 is the task form. And here we have a bit of link, a bit of it. It's enough to everyone that's here with me now. Okay, for sure this is enough. For now, for this you can get this 0.5 it's enough to finish the bootcamp, and 10 link is this as well. Okay, only Tirinho Sepolia now. Thank you. So let's go back. We are good in the contacts. Nice one. And let's see what more that you need. I saw one more question. Wait. Line 83. Explain a bit more. Let's see what I have on line 83. Line 83. This is the JSON. Yes. Remember, I'm creating here a string. using the base64 encode. After we mint the first NFT, I can show this live. Okay, it will be better to understand this part when we have the NFT. Okay, this is for Mubashira. And okay, we are good. Let's go forward. Everyone has your NFT now? It seems yes. It's time to create the next smart contract. Oh no, before creating the next smart contract, we could see that. So let's see that. And also, I'd like to ask you and we have people, this translator, I know that some people need the translator, but it's annoying to us, I know. So let's find our collection now. Let's go to testnet, OpenSea. Like you did yesterday, come back to, I must change a bit of this. Yes, here. Get the address of your NFT, search on OpenSea, cross-chain price. And I can tell you that all the NFTs is always starting happy because the price came from 0 to the first price. So it's always happy, the first NFT is this. And I'd like you to mint one more, only to be sure that this is good, this is working. Yes, and we have collections over there. Let's add my collection for you. And this is fun. You can see how much of this workshop I did. Like we have 700. Yes, let's wait till the people be here. The address will be in the first part. Here we'd like to see the collection, okay? Amazing. Different collections. And also I will ask you to mint one extra NFT. Oh no, I can't believe that someone delete everything again. You makes me, oh, thank you. Be careful, guys. You already know how to use this. You are using this a lot of time. Let's make a copy of this to be sure. Okay, copying the pad. And remember that is better if you go down, go to the end. Yes, so good. So the idea is to mint an NFT. Let's go to my NFT, expand the cross-chain price, and mint. This will be the address of my wallet. Let's copy it. Okay, wait, that I am in the wrong account now. This is my account. Copy and mint for you. Let's see if this is good. I like to expand this a bit to see down in the right side as well. I should have it 2 now, and the second should be neutral. Okay, it's good. Remember that on Sepolia, the price takes more time to be updated than the other chains. So, especially because it's the testnet. So this is fine. Let's see, how are you? And remember, to mint, come here, expand your NFT, scroll down, paste the address of your wallet on this side, and click on mint. It's only this. Okay, good. Let's go forward. And the pet survived. Congrats, guys. Okay, let's go forward. We are creating a new contract now. Still on Sepolia. Let's close this. We are translating from, I need to see this later. This is still fun. Still on Sepolia, okay? Let's create a new file, cross-destination minter now. So second icon, cross-destination minter, and copy and paste to. Again, because I already have it, and I delete that. It's empty. You don't need to do that. It's only me because I'm cleaning my space. So we are in the cross-destination minter now. Be careful. Remember to not cut the code and not delete the pad. It's here. Now, in order to deploy, the parameter is your NFT collection, okay? Let's deploy that in the beginning and then I can do it again at the end. Parvin, if you go here, you can find yours. Let's see if I can see yours. Wait. Are you try to check your name, Parvin? Yes. This is your collection. Also, you can add your collection here. You'll be nice to us, but I to find yours. So I came to the OpenSea, like not here. I came into the main page of the OpenSea, and sometimes takes more time because like OpenSea, yes, it's not, it seems it's not over there. Maybe is this your address? The address of your wallet? Maybe, let's see. No, this is right. Probably what is, and you did the 2 mints. This is good. Okay. Probably, Parvin, what's happened is like, I used to say that when we are doing boot camps, we used to break out the systems. And now we just broke OpenSea. OpenSea, it's like, imagine that we have more than 100 people try to access OpenSea on testnet on the same time. OpenSea maybe can block a bit because think it's an attack. So wait some minutes and try again, okay? And this is. Let's come back here because it's time to publish the cross-destination minter. The cross-destination minter needs a parameter. It's the address of your NFT collection. So let's get the address of my NFT collection. And then came here, click on deploy. Okay. Before deploy, this is an easy question. Anton, it's showing you not only deploy it, because remember that we have the constructor. The constructor is that function that is called when we are deploying. And inside the constructor, we have the mint over there. So here we are minting the first NFT, okay? Exactly, Umut. The systems think that we are the DOS attack, and we do this with all the systems that we use in the bootcamp. So we must be like patient, and we can do a few minutes later and the work. Let's come back here. So remember that I am on the cross-destination minter now, and I'd like to deploy that. So my contract is the cross-destination minter, and here I must paste the address of my NFT collection. Let's do that. Copy the address, paste here, and click on deploy. It's interesting, like for now it's busy, but it's not so bad busy. I already got this on Sepolia like 1 year ago with 0.01. It was like 10 times more. And I'm waiting here to see my contact. So now I pin it again to not lose the address. I have the cross destination minter. Let's copy it and share with you. And someone cut the code. No, you are good. Okay, this is mine. I must add my name over there. And all good. Nice one. So let's explain this code. You can see this. This is the most important part for you. We have the CCIP receiver. It means that this contact is prepared to receive a CCIP message. And also I have the client. Remember that inside the client, I have the CCIP structures of I can use to create some messages, some variables. So I must have the client to see the structures. From my NFT, what I'm doing with my NFT here, I'm only minting. So I only need the mint interface, in fact, the mint from function. So remember that in an interface, you have the definition of a function, but not the code itself. The code is inside the NFT. Here is the definition of the mint from. I have an address, I have an integer 265. If I came here in the mint from, you can see the same. I have an address and an integer is this. And if it's public here, it's external on the interface. Here is my contract. I create an event only to see if I'm minting successful or not. Remember that I have this on Sepolia. So I came in the documentation and got the router on Sepolia. And oh, it's interesting to add the information for you. I know that we already saw that before, but I'd like to get it again because it's useful for you. CCIP, this. I will add this in our session today. Almost done, almost done. Here. Okay. Let's add this here. So remember that we are starting at the end, okay? We are here. We already created an NFT. We are creating this now, the destination minter, this application on the destination. So we will receive this message late, and then the router you send it to our application. In order to do that, we must communicate with the router. So this is the router on Sepolia, and the router on Sepolia is doing the communication with our application. Deadline 2 tasks. April 3rd. Okay, is this. No, we didn't yet. We started in the end. We are only doing the destination part. And here we are. Let's come back over there. So this is the router on Sepolia. We are on Sepolia. Inside the constructor, when we are initializing our smart contract, doing the deploy, here we have the NFT address and the router of Sepolia. And this is. Then, this is so important. in order to receive a CCIP message, you must have a underscore CCIP receive function. You can't change this name. It must be this name, okay? This is the name that the router will look for inside your contract. And here we are. We have that kind of message defined in the client. This is the kind of structure. And we are getting the message on this way. So when we get the message has a field called data. We are getting what you have inside this and calling in the NFT. This will be more clear when we did the other part, but for now is only this. What you have here in the message.data, this will be the mint function. I'm calling the mint function on the NFT. Okay? And here I have some functions only to test it here. First of all, I'm testing the mint function, and I am still on Sepolia, so mint on Sepolia. And this test message is exactly the message that you are receiving here in the data. The message will be that. You'll be exactly this. You'll be the mint from with the parameters address and uint256. The first parameter will be the sender of the transaction. The second parameter, here it's 0 because I'm minting from Sepolia, chain 0, okay? And be careful here, guys. Don't add any space in the middle. I spent one full day try to find an error, and the error was this. I have one space here, so don't do that. Be careful about this, okay? And this is only to test if my message is good. Before send from another blockchain, I'm testing the same blockchain only to be sure that this is working. And if you'd like to update your NFT, like to use the same contract with another NFT collection that has the same mint from, you can do that. So we explained the code. The Sepolia part is done. Let's see if you are good. I think I must refresh this now. Guys, go to the end, not here. It seems that we survived until now. So we are good. So good. So now it's time to go to the other blockchain. And before that, let's do some tests. Only to be sure. Let's do these two tests. Do the test mint, the test message. Let's do that. So I came here, I'm still on Sepolia. I expand my destination minter. And first of all, I will do the test mint. It's supposed to mint another NFT. But now I'm minting from this contract. I'm not inside the collection. Here, and confirm. Wait a minute. Done. So if I go to my cross-chain price, should I have 3 now? Okay, the price is still the same. Okay. Let's do one more now. But now I will do the test message. What is the difference, remember? Test mint only called the mint from in the NFT collection. So here I'm doing a communication between contracts inside the same chain, calling a function inside the same chain. Here is the same, but here I create the message. I will receive the same message from another chain. But to be sure that this is working, I create the message inside the same chain. And this is a tip for you. Before do this cross-chain, be sure that your message is working. So test the message inside the same chain. And this is so. And Henrik, be sure that you did both contracts on Sepolia, okay? And only try the test mint and test message. Now I did the test message. So if I came here, should have one more neutral. Let's see. Yes, all neutral now. Now we are good to go to the other blockchain. So MetaMask, go to Fuji. Okay, don't forget that. On Remix, let's create the source minter. Let's do that because I used to ask you and I don't did. Before that, let's see if I can help Henrique a bit more. Henrique, did you create it here, your contract? Okay, you are here. This is your NFT. I'd like to see your NFT. Maybe another point, and be sure that you use the NFT collection, not your wallet address, okay? But let's see. First of all, I will see your collection. Yes, your collection is good. And you create 3. I think it's good for you. Yes, it seems that this is good. And now let's check a bit more. This is your collection, so good. Probably this is your cross-chain destination minter. I will check it. This is the cross-chain destination minter from Henrique. Let's see. This is the problem, Henrique. What you did here. This is the address of your NFT, okay? Like if I came here, this is the address of your NFT. But, and you can see here that is finishing 0BE1. If I came here, this is not the address of your NFT. Probably you use your address wallet. So this is a good way to you update the NFT address, okay? Here you must have the address of your NFT. Okay, Henrique, you can solve that doing this. And yes, I create the same thing, but create a message. And why I did that? Because I will do this from the other blockchain. Before that, I'm doing the same blockchain only to be sure that this is working, okay? And yes, they are both minting an NFT in different ways. Okay. Hasvan, okay, I will check yours before go forward. Hasvan, okay. So this is you. This is your NFT collection. Let's see your collection first. Okay, you have 4 items. Yes, 1 happy, 3 neutral, good, like mine. And let's see what's happened with your destination minter. This is your destination minter. Let's take this off and add yours. And your NFT should be 62D. Let's see. I must open one to see. Open. Go, go, go. It's good. I don't know why it takes so much time to mint, but if I sit down, I can see the address of that. It's not open. We broke OpenSea again. No, here we are. You can see that the address of this is the same. So, husband, everything is good for you. Let's go forward. And I must close everything that's not mine, or I'll be lost. Okay. Remember that now we are on Avalanche Fuji. I have no idea if I am. No, I'm not. Let's go to Avalanche Fuji. Here. I added some tokens in the faucet as well. Let's see if you are good. We don't have too much here, so okay, get only 5 links, okay? And probably you don't need okay, this can be for 100 people, it's good, but get only 5 links. I don't have enough link to everyone, okay? And let's go forward. So now I'm sure that I am on Avax. Let's see again, MetaMask. Avax Fuji. Yes, I am. If I go here, I can see that I am in the custom network. On the mix, icon 5, check custom network. Icon 2, this, I must paste the code for you. So now we are in the cross-source minter. Here. Is this. So what is the parameter that I must have it now? Is the cross-destination minter that you did on Sepolia. So we are on Fuji, but we must add the address of the last contract that we did on Sepolia. Let's do it. The code is here. So this is my code. I will deploy first. Cross-source minter. Use the address of the cross-destination minter. And it's in the other chain, so it will not appear here because you changed the chain. I must go here and copy from the pad. The pad is useful. Where is mine? Cross-destination minter. Here is mine. I must use this. Let's give more space here. And remember, here is the address of the last contract you deployed on Sepolia. So it's the address of the cross-destination minter. It's not the NFT, it's not your wallet, it's the last contract you deployed, the cross-destination minter, okay? Click on deploy. And my window was in the other side. Confirm. And in a few minutes, I will have it here. Here we are. So let's share this with you. You are so fast. Amazing. Congrats, everyone. Sebastian, EK, Boss, Kurt, Hackting, Nix, Kilian, Rodrigo, Emil, Bruno. Amazing. Yes, Zup, for now, this is on EVM compatible chains. In the future, we will have CCIP in other chains, but for now, it's this. And I didn't yet, so let's do this, Odili, and I must explain this code. And Elena is telling that we don't have Avax anymore? Oh, we have it. Elena, it's in the faucet. The faucet, it's on line 33. Got over there. We have translations from different languages. This is so fun. So let's come here and I must explain this code for you. So slow. Let's do that. What you have here? Remember that you did this on Fuji. Here, I'm interacting with the client, the router as well. So this is exactly almost the same that we did last week, okay, in the last CCIP session. I have the interface of the router. I have the client to get the structures, and I have the link token interface because I'm paying the fees using link. Then we have some errors to rank, like to get the balance, if you have enough link to pay the fees, or if you'd like to withdraw and you don't have any more to withdraw. Here is the variables that you are initializing, like the router on Fuji, the link token on Fuji, destination chain selector Sepolia, you is the owner, destination minter is our receive contract on Sepolia. Event, when we send a message, initialization of the destination minter, and we are initializing everything here, router, link token. We already are approving the contract inside, to use the link token inside our contract to Sepolia, and this is the address that you receive the message. So this is the only function that is important to you, mint on Sepolia. What I have here, this is the structure, the same structure that we are receiving on Sepolia, EVM to any message. And remember that we test this, it's almost the same. This is the message that we tested here, the same message. What we changed here, we was in the same chain, so it was the first chain in our list, Sepolia. Here, I am using the chain number 1. It is Avalanche Fuji. So if I came here on the NFT and check, here is the chain 1, Avalanche Fuji. I'm using this over there. So chain 1, Avalanche Fuji. I don't have any token amount, and this is important to you. Be careful about that. When we are doing this, this operation needs more gas limit. So increase the gas limit on this way, okay? It's so important to increase the gas limit. And here we are paying the fees using the link token. And I don't know this yet. Maybe yes, maybe not. Like, I'm not aware of all the plans that Chainlink has in the future. And I need to confess you that I prefer to not know that because, like, I am a public face. I prefer to talk only about the things that are public, to be sure that I'm not talking nothing that I cannot talk. So I have no idea yet. And thank you, Euculus, in helping your friend. I really appreciate that. So let's go forward. Here you can see that the message was created. Then the router, you calculate the fees to us. Remember the chain selector is Sepolia. This is the fees. We are checking if we have enough fees to pay this, like we did on the USDC transfer last week, and send the message, emit an event. Here is to you to withdraw the link. Only you can did that if you have remain link in the token. And this is the link balance. I used to have that. If you'd like to know if you have enough link to pay the fees, this is to me to help you. This is the truth. Like when you have problems, I came here to check your contract. And this our contract is done. So what is the next step now? The next step, let's go down again. Here. Next step, we must send the link to your cross-sourcing minter address. So go to, oh, I must take this off or I'll be crazy. So on MetaMask, remember, on Fuji, send 5 links. 5 is too much, but let's be sure that this is working. So send 5 links to your cross-sourcing minter address. I will do that. So get my cross-sourcing minter address here. Go to MetaMask. Tokens. Link. I only have one link also set. Let's see if I have something in the faucet. I can get from my other wallet, but let's see here. Yes, even here we don't have a link anymore. So I ask you to get only 5, you got more. This is not fair. I'm getting a link for me now. Let's see if I can do that. I must change my account. And I'll change my account again, get my wallet, send my account. I am in the other screen, okay, sending this. I come back in a minute. Let's get link for the 3 sections that I have today. No, today I'm only doing that. Okay, I have a link over there, and I know that you have a link. I will try to send more link to you. And it seems that someone helping me. Oh, let's see. Yes, amazing. I'm asking to have a link since yesterday, and they sent to me probably during the workshop. Oh, I'm happy now. Let's help you better. So I can send some link to the faucet now. In a few minutes, we have more link here. I'm only waiting the confirmation. Confirm it. So now you can see if you need the link, it's in our faucet now. Don't get everything. Let's come back. Now I can do that. Let's go again. Come here, got the address of my cross-sourcing minter. Go to MetaMask. Tokens. Link. Send. Paste the address. Remember, what I'm doing now, I'm sending the link to my contract in order to pay the fees. 5 links. Okay, you must add the link to MetaMask. You didn't yet. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Documentation, docs.chain.link. Remember, every time that you need to get an address from some project, go to the official documentation, okay? Let's search link contract. Let's see if this is working. Link contract. Fund, not that. Link contract address. Not that yet. Show more, maybe. Address. I'd like to see only, oh, I'm the developer hub. Okay. Let's see the address here, but it's not this yet. This is some guides. This is related to the nodes. Let's ask it again. So link token contract address. I should find this easy here. Link token address. Oh, this is crazy. I will ask them to make this better. It's not so good now. Link token address. Let's see if the AI is better. Okay. Let's get the source. We have the address over there. Yes, I'm looking for this source. Okay, you need that. Not on mainnet, but on Sepolia. So if you have problems, we did this in the first or second session. Okay, you remember that if you came here, you can add it to MetaMask, but now we are on Avalanche Fuji, so we are here. Okay. Came here, add to wallet. Okay, let's go forward. So I think I have 5 links now. How can I know if I have the 5 links? Check the balance. So on Remix, expand here, go to your link balance, paste the address of your contract, and check it out. Yes, it should be this. That means 5 link, like this. Okay? Let's see how we are. Timmy, let's see if in order to help you, did you add this on our faucet on here? No, you are not here. The only way that maybe I can try to help you, Timmy, is what is your wallet address? Okay. Paste your wallet address here and I can try to help you. Okay. This is for you, Timmy. Paste your wallet address here. I think the faucet's good. Yeah, go to the faucet over there. We have everything over there. Hey, good to see you here. Okay, I think we have people try to help Timmy as well. So let's go forward. And I think we are ready. Yes, we are really ready to go forward. What you should do now? We are ready to mint from one chain to another chain. And this. We are running the function mint on Sepolia. Let's do that. Mint on Sepolia. Here we are. We are here. Confirm. And it's done. Now I asked a different things. I asked the transaction hash. You remember that? We did that in the past. So go to go to MetaMask, activity, the last contract interaction, copy transaction ID, copy it, and share with us. Amazing. We have people so faster than me. I love that. But I don't know how to say your name. Demosthenes, EK, Emil. So amazing. Timmy, let's see yours. So your content, where are your content? First of all, we should find on Sepolia. So Timmy, I'm checking your address now. On Sepolia, you are good. And I think you create mint, this is out today. This is from yesterday, okay. Here you create, this is your flower. You create this. And you can see that is a ERC721 token. So Timmy, this is your address. You add here, but then you can add everything in the right place, okay? Let's do that. So I asked you, Tim, to add here your address. So here is the cross-chain NFT address. Here we have Timmy. This is your NFT address. Let's go to the next. The next contract creation was here. So here is your cross-destination minter address. You created that. So go here, and probably you can see your collection in a few minutes. But we created this. This is yours, cross-destination minter. This is yours, Jimmy. And then let's go to Fuji and find your order if you did it. Remember that this is your address. But now I'm going to Fuji. Let's see if you broken Snow Trace again. View Block Explorer, there is no trace. But I'd like to see Team Wallet. Team are really good with Avax. And you did a transfer approve. Maybe it's this. Let's see the time. This Block Explorer 1 day ago. So no. Tim, you didn't create this on Avalanche Fuji, okay? So you must do this step now. Create the cross-source minter. You must go to Avax and do the line 724. Let's go forward. And at the end, I can go. Yes, you are good now. Say, great. So let's go forward because we created the transaction. What you should do after the transaction? We should go to the CCIP Explorer. Probably it's done. We have more collections here. Yes, you already have something good here. But let's go to the CCIP Explorer and search for our transaction over there. Here, let's search my transaction. my transaction is committed, but is not finalized yet. It takes more time now. When this is finalized, we can see the NFT done. The fees are good. We sent 5 links, so good. Let's see some messages over there. Mubashira, your problem is you don't have on the icon number 4, you don't have the auto compile selected. So this is compiling in a wrong version. Okay, try to solve that. This will not work on Fuji. You must have this selected, auto compile, in order to have this version, and then you work. And Memonaro, you must do the same that I did. Come here to the CCIP Explorer, and you must search your transaction ID, and only when your transaction is done, is finalized, you can see that. And why that? Remember that we must wait a bit, the time to have the transaction be finalized in the first blockchain. We learned about that last week, so it's the same now. Now I have the success. If I go to my NFT collection now, I should have one red. Yoo-hoo! And it said like the Bitcoin price is down now, comparing with the last time. So we just did this from Avalanche Fuji and appear on Sepolia. Let's see what more. Rodrigo, check it out if you have, if you funded your contract with Link, okay? I can check that here so easy, because let's get your contract. Probably this is your NFT. No, this is, I have no idea what this. Cross-chain NFT, let's go to the next. Collection, destination. Yes, this is your Cersei Minter. I can check your link balance. And yes, you have 2. Should work, but to be sure, I recommend you to add a bit more and try again, okay? Yes, it's blessed, it's coming. Committed, you must wait to be finalized. Yes. The status blessed is when the risk management network told that your transaction is good to go to the destination blockchain. Mubashira, copy and paste the code again to be sure. Yes, let's go. Okay. Yes, exactly. This is not in the activity tab on MetaMask because came from another chain, came in another way. And was how to add the link to the contract. Get the contract address, copy the contract address over there, go to MetaMask, choose link, tokens, link, send, paste the address of your contract and the amount of link. is this. So congrats, guys. We have a lot of transactions minted from one chain to another chain. This was really, really amazing. And yes, I'd like to know your CCIP message. You are right. This is good. Really, really amazing. And probably, okay. He created this on Fuji. Nice one. I like Usman. Yes, again, Gilbert, what has happened? Okay, CCIP on testnet should not be so faster like mainnet. This is testnet. They are not expecting that we have more than 100 people doing this in the same time. So we must be patient. We are breaking out the systems again. And yes, so good. We still have half an hour, and I will do the challenger with you. What is the challenger? The challenger, um, the challenger is to do this from Mumbai. So before that, Abhishek, we have the other faucet. We have the workshop faucet, and you can get this now. I already told this to the Chainlink development team, and they will fix that. So use our faucet now. And yes, we have people helping as well. So probably David, you give you some tokens. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Mumbai. Are you ready to go to Mumbai? Would you like to have your challenger now? I must close some things here because this is really a mess for me now. I don't need this. I don't need this. I will use this in a few minutes. Not this. Not this. Let's maintain this in the other page and not this. Okay. So now I'm going to the Polygon Mumbai. And we are good here. I don't need to do nothing. Amazing. But before that, mint from Polygon Mumbai. First of all, we must add the Polygon Mumbai now. First, add Mumbai to MetaMask. I must do that like you. So go to the chainlist.org. This is amazing place. Connect your wallet. Next, connect. And add it to MetaMask. I know that some of you tried this in the first day. I think it was like a bit advanced. Now is the right time to do that. Error while connecting with the custom network. Let's see what's happened. Probably we must do this manually. Let's see if this is working. I will try manually and check if it is working for you. View all details. Yeah, I remember that it was something related to the... No, we cannot do that here. Cancel. Let's see. So let's see if it was added. Maybe yes. No, not. So how can I do that? I came here and add the network. Add network. This will be the new network, and we don't have this here, so add the network manually. Oof. I'm trying to create this for you. Wait a minute. Add the network manually. And let's see if this is working. Network name Mumbai. URL. Maybe this is the problem. Okay, let's see. Chain ID. Matic. And Polygon scan. Let's see if we can do that. Yes, the problem is here. Probably this is not working anymore. So sad. I must find another chain to you. Let's try this. Yes. So what you must do, you be this. But it must be manually, okay? This is a bit advanced, but exactly this. Thank you. I used that now. That was good. Or try other from here. One of these. Like this seems to be good now. You must check one of these. No, if you have the Mumbai testnet, you don't need to change nothing. And let's do this now. How to import token link to Mumbai. This is the next step. And I put it here. Remember that I have the token over there. Let's try to find the token in Polygon Mumbai and share with you. On MetaMask, no, add link token on Mumbai. Go here and add to wallet. I must do that. So go here, Polygon, Mumbai, switch network and add to wallet. Okay. Switch network. And add link token. Okay, so I did it. Now if I came here, I already switched it, so it's good. Now if I came here, on tokens, you can see that I have a link here. I don't have a link yet, so let's go to the faucet, workshop faucet, go to Polygon Mumbai now. This is the faucet now. Get my address again. My address, faucet. And this is enough, 10 link, 0.5 in Matic. So let's go forward. I must add this for me as well, because it was not working. MetaMask, top left corner. Okay, is this? More. So we are good on that. Let's create the cross-source minter on Mumbai. And then remember that the deploy parameter will be the same that we used in the other, the address on Sepolia, okay? Let's have the code for you. All good now? No. wondering what you have in the faucet good 0.5. So I have the code here, or no, I don't know. Cross-source Minter Mumbai. And I will explain to you the difference between this and the other. It's only 2 lines that's different. Is this. Thiago, almost the same. I changed only 2 lines. Let's show you what I changed. What I changed, first of all, line 35. The router address now is from Mumbai. Second change, on the line 49, now the Cersei blockchain is the number, the index 2. This is Polygon Mumbai. Is this, okay? I only changed line 35, line 49. And Odili, please go to the line 181, and this is the way to do that. Okay? Is this. And yes, we already have contracts. Amazing, Oko. And the Miu, you are so fast. Let's do mine. So the contract is exactly the same. We only changed 2 lines. I must use the destination minter address from Sepolia. Let's get it. I have no idea where is mine. Let's find myself. Wow, because of the dot sol, we have a lot of me here. Cross-source minter. Collection. Yes, it's exactly after this. Here, cross-destination minter. I should be here. Here, this is mine. So, cross-source minter Mumbai. Paste the destination minter from Sepolia. Zerifia, do the manual process that I told you. Line 1081, please. And this is cross-source minter Mumbai. Remember, the address here is the address from the destination minter on Sepolia, okay? Is the contract that you deployed on Sepolia destination minter. Deploy. Confirm. Let's wait. Cross-source minter. Here we are, copy, share with you. So are you using this? No. Okay, yeah, you'll be here. And this is mine. We are good. So I'd like you to do the same now. Send the link. And mint on Sepolia. Let's go. I must fund my contact. Let's get my contact address. MetaMask. Send. This is my contact address. I don't like Matic, so let's do the right. Go to tokens, link, send. This is my Cersei minter on Mumbai. 5 links. Next. and confirm. Waiting this be confirmed. Let's see. It seems that's confirmed. Check the link balance, should be 5. Remember the balance. Again, check the balance. Yoo-hoo! And the people are already on CCIP. This is really amazing. I must do mine. You are so fast. I'm late. So here we are. I'm sure that I have enough funds now. I can click Mint on Sepolia. Confirm. It's confirmed. Let's go to the CCIP Explorer. Get my transaction first. MetaMask. Last transaction. Copy transaction ID. Paste for you. Search for in the Chainlink CCIP Explorer. Waiting for finality is 1 before the blessed. Okay. I will create a new slide with all the stages. I know that I need to do that. Probably I will not explain this now, but you can see this in the slides later, okay? And I have the same. The only problem related to this now is like Fuji to Sepolia used to be like 4 minutes. When I started on Mumbai, sometimes I did in 8 minutes, 12 minutes, can be 15 minutes. So Cersei finalized it. It was the minimum time to have the Cersei in that point that the transaction cannot be reverted. This is good for you? I think this is better. Oh no, this is in the wrong. I should do this. Okay. Let's see, how are you now? Yes, we have a lot. Okay, let's force it. Connect. And I will refresh. I know that I will mean something. Here we are. When this happens, I prefer to close it, open it again. And let's see if now is good. Let's delete the transactions again. Oh, I can do nothing now. I can come here late. It seems that you are good. Let's come back to mine. I think I'm not on search finalized anymore. Let's refresh. Committed. Okay. And remember, this means we need more time. If you have questions, I can answer questions now. I need to drink something. Let's see if the pad is better. Let's try again. Let's see what is One Ring is saying. Wait a minute, One Ring. I'm only doing a copy of the pad to be sure that I will not lose that. Okay, here. Let's go to line 60. line 60. Yes, you can use a query here. You are right. Maybe I will improve my code. Thank you. Really, I can use a query. I like it. Yoo-hoo, your transaction is blessed. Let's see mine. Mine is still committed? Oh no, still committed. Remember that it's taking more time, like you are finishing the class with this, but I can wait. You can wait if you have more debts, if you have problems, let's go over there. Let's see if the pad is good. Oh, it seems yes. Let's go to the end. Let's and see if I don't have problems. Okay, good. All good. Yes, all good. Wow, Parvin finished. Wow, I'm not yet. Blessed. Like I told you that you are faster than me. 5 minutes. Parvin, I think I have yours. Let's see yours. This is yours. Let's go to your collection because I'm so curious. This is mine, okay? But this is still mine. Let's search for Parvin. Yes, congrats, Parvin. This is your collection. And look at that, you have this. You have it from Mumbai, from Avalanche Fuji, from Sepolia. You have a lot. Congrats. Let's see. I'm still blessed. Seems yes. Yes. Yes, Zoop. For sure, some variables we can change that. Like in order to save gas, you are totally right. But remember that my code is used to be like a didactic code, and I don't do this kind of improvement now. I try to be so simple as I can. Yes, but probably at least here is like the Chainlink did that, so I will not change it. Maybe here you can convert. For sure on the NFT, here in the structures, like I don't need to use this, can be a uint8 for sure. Let's come back here. And we still must wait. If you have questions, we are only waiting now. This is a good question. Puff is probably because the timing, the parameters to change the price on a test net is like lower than on mainnet. So probably even if the Bitcoin price is changing, it's not changing enough, if, for example, 0.5%, or if it's changing more than this, probably the time to update this on Sepolia, it's like is higher. Like if you need 5 minutes to update your mainnet, they update on Sepolia once an hour, something for that. Okay. Uh, if you have Link and Matic, you have the test token. I hope that you have this. Yes, and this is where you can get it. Thank you. Who cut the code? Bring the code back, please. Fuji. Let's find the code. Okay, should be here. Okay, thank you. Let's see how is mine now. Still blessed. 90 minutes. It's not too much now. But if you are here and you like to jump in to only talk, we can talk because we are only waiting now.
Hey,
Hello.
Solange. Hi.
Yes, we are waiting only this to be finalized.
Yeah, I think it will take some more time. But yeah, we are seeing like, a lot of people saying it's a success. I mean, they're able to see the success as a status. That's good sign.
One more.
Yeah, one more.
Yes, and I'd like to wait with them until the end. We have time to do that.
Yeah, definitely. We got like more 10 minutes, no issues at
Yeah.
all. But yeah, everybody, if you have any questions related to CCIP or today's session, feel free to post. We got more time, so Solange can definitely answer those for you.
And let's review something with you as well before that. Remember that, let's talk about the hackathon again. The hackathon now is public to everyone. You know about the hackathon 1 week before everyone, but now it's public. We launched it yesterday. So this is the hackathon. If you'd like to be over there, we used to have amazing prizes, and the visibility of creating a project and win some prize in the Chainlink hackathon is really huge. I recommend you, even if you're starting now, you are beginner, try to create a team with other people here as well, and you can create this together. We also have a session in the hackathon related to team formation. So you can use that as well.
Yeah. Besides the team formation, we also have a special channel. If you guys are already on the Discord, we will open up a Teams channel soon after the hackathon begins. And you can ask like, people if they really wanted to join. You can share your skill sets, and people will be start posting about their requirement. If they're looking for some front end developer or smart contract developers, you can definitely find a lot of friendly people from across the globe in the channel. So definitely be sure to be on the Discord. If you are not on the Discord, feel free to go and join right now, so that whenever we open the teammates channel, you can definitely meet a lot of those people. And for the bootcamp, I think there are a lot of people who are actually taking the course after the session as well. So you can also help them out, because you are like attending live, and there are some people like who might be facing little issues. So it's good way to see and help your like friends in the Discord, so that you will also learn alongside answering their queries. So it's a fantastic place to talk to people, know them, help them out like with queries and stuff like that. That's how you basically learn a lot, answering or like knowing. And of course, we do also have a CCIP channel. If you want to learn more about CCIP, you can always like go there, learn about it. Or if you find some problems, go search on Discord or on Stack Overflow. So that's the first thing. Like if you face some problem, try to go to Discord or like Stack Overflow, look for the solution. If you don't find it, go post it on Stack Overflow or Discord. So that way, like you'll able to find some answers, or like get your answers for your questions as well. Yeah.
Yes, and Thiago is asking to talk a bit more about the hackathon. Like the hackathon, you we launch it now, but you can only start your project on April 29, when we have the open ceremony. And this is an online hackathon, so you have until June 2 to do that, to create your project. And now that is launched, probably in a few days, if you fill in the form, you are receiving the rules of the hackathon. Maybe they can change a bit, so it's better to wait the official rules related to that. Now, what should you do? You can think about your project, some ideas, some problem that you'd like to solve. You can also build your team, like talk with the people, start to create a team, and this. Let's go to the form to be sure that you know what you should do today in our form. And here we are, session 7. I'm waiting for the cross-chain price NFT, the first contract we did today, the destination minter, the contract on Sepolia, and the source minter is the contract on Fuji, the mint on Sepolia on Fuji as well. I will add more explanation here for you. Like this is the transaction ID, is that we got here, wait, that you added like here, or if you get it here. The contact interaction, the transaction ID, this, okay? And then let's come back to the farm. My farm is here. So we did this on Mumbai. So the address of your cross-source minter on Mumbai and the mint on Sepolia from Mumbai. Same transaction ID. Is this for today? We are almost finishing. Look at that. A few things for tomorrow. And yes, today is the day that you have more tasks because you have 1, 2, I think 6, 3, 4, 6 tasks today. And let's see how is mine. Success! Yoo-hoo! Let's go. This is mine. And yes, I have the purple over there. Yoo-hoo! Yippee! This is mine. So we did this on Sepolia. We did that, the red one, on Avalanche Fuji. We did this on Mumbai. And I must talk a bit more with you related to something. Great. Let's come back to Sepolia and to my NFT. Let's pin that first. Sepolia here, and this is my NFT. Okay, inside my NFT, remember that I told you about this token URI, something like that. Let's see some. Let's see like this. This is the ID number 5. If I open here, I can see the index 5 here. It's a bit small, but it's 5. So if I try to get the 5, this is the JSON. This is my file. I'd like to teach you how to decode this. I got this done here. Wait. Send it. No, I don't have it. Let's do the decode base 64. I like this. So if you like to do that, it's only to you to understand a bit more about your NFT. Let's go at the end. And let's reconnect it. And probably you can see what I have over there. So if you go here, oh, I think I must. Here we are. The code from basic 64. If I came here and got this, after the base 64, got this. Okay. Copy it. Paste here. The code. Ta-da! You have your JSON over there. This is your JSON. Let's see if I can add this for you. I don't know what's happened now. Yes. Probably I'm doing something wrong. What's happened? But this is, you can do by yourself. Here you have the JSON decoded over there. Let's try. Yes, at least I did that. So is this. This is our JSON, and you can see here the image SVG, and this is my image. So if I do the same with the image, this is only the image, okay? Decode the image. So this is a SVG file. And maybe I have a SVG viewer online. I like one. I don't know if it's this. Yeah, it seems that it's this. So if I get this and edit here, this is my image. So this is the way that you can go back and understand what we did here. Okay. Let's try to add this if the pad allow me to do that. Yes. Oh, okay. So this is the image. This is the JSON. And remember that you can do the JSON in a nice way like that. Whatever, here. Exactly. Create this, and I'd like to separate the image. This is the image, and this is the attributes. If you got only the image part, decode the image. For example, this, you can decode over there as well. And see here. UB this. Now let's get here. Copy and see. This is the way that you can see what we did now. So we are finishing today. Congrats, everyone. I think for all the bootcamp, this is the most difficult session because we worked in 3 different chains. You have 6 tasks to do. You create 4 smart contracts all in one session. This is really, really amazing. Congrats, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, who is B? Tomorrow will be a mesh. No, tomorrow will be Darby teaching on how to create a game. So we are creating a game using random numbers and VRF. Is this?
Yeah, thanks, Solange, for taking time to teach. I mean, the most difficult part of the bootcamp, that is cross-chain meeting of NFTs. I know people really did it like really well, even though this is the first time they're like learning a lot. They're able to do that. So that itself like speaks that you've done an amazing job. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, don't forget to share your experiences on Twitter and LinkedIn. We'd love to see Solange and myself and our team would love to see what you learned today, and also show it to your friends. And see you guys tomorrow then.
Bye. See you.
Bye, everyone.